Welcome back to Hogback Observatory, Gallup, New Mexico. This tutorial is going to be for how to make a 8-inch riser for a Takahashi EM200 mount on a burley-bock tripod, or any tripod really that's going to have your plate on it for you to be able to install an EM200, and from there you'll be able to make a riser for it. Okay, the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and paint this plate here, and of course the riser tube. We're going to go inside and out on that. And first thing you want to do is you want to wipe everything down with some good alcohol wipes. Now be careful what you use. You don't want anything that's going to leave a residue. That's why I use these lens type wipes, because they're made specifically not to leave a residue. So I'm going to wipe this all down real good, inside and out, on all of those, and get them ready then to put the paint on. Okay, so I'm getting ready to paint this. It goes without saying, when you do your paint, shake that thing up really good for a while. Make sure everything's mixed, which I did with the camera off. I'm going to paint this inside, and what I'll do is, when I go to paint the inside on this, I'll spray it and roll this back and forth. That way you get a good coat all the way in. Do the same from the other side. I'm going to set that over there, let the inside dry. I'll bring this over. I'll do the inside, which you'll never really see when it's together, but I'll do it anyway for looks. Remember, when you're spraying, gosh, you don't want to get close. Like this is what you're painting. You don't want real close. You don't want way far away, so you get overspray all over your room and nothing on your object that you're painting. Say at least a couple inches away, maybe up to 6, depends, kind of judged by how bad it's wide the spray is. And spray back and forth. Don't just glob it on there. Push the button before your object, work your way across, let go of the button. Push the button, come across, let go of the button. That way you're not just like initial spray globs everything up. So that way you get a nice even coat. Nice even coat. Nice even coat. Nice even coat. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and spray these up. I'll kind of show you on the second one over there. Matter of fact, I'll do that first just to show you how you do that even coat before I do the inside of that one. That's here. Take my cap off. Myself a check it out. Okay, so work your way around. Make sure you get that base. I want to get inside there. Right here it's a little thin, so we're gonna, okay. Good. I'm gonna set that over to the side and let that set up there. Got a little hole in here so I can reach under. Like that. I'm going to bring this over to the inside. Same thing. Nice even sprays. Roll it. Nice even sprays from both sides. Then I'll do the outside and the other side. And bring you back after that. Okay, so here these are. Painting has been done. Now I just put a light first coat on, let it dry for about 20 minutes, do a second light coat, let that dry for about an hour, and then you can put a third coat, not thick but not light either, just a nice even moderate coat, and that'll do her. Now, you know, spray paint dries pretty quickly. It's already dry to the touch, but nonetheless, this is going to sit overnight. I'm going to let this sit minimum of 12 hours, probably 12 to 16 hours. And right there, get her loose. And she's ready to assemble after that. So again, first coat is light. 20 minutes later, give it a second light coat. An hour after that, give her her final coat. Inside and out, she's done. Let her sit overnight, 12 to 24 hours. And get that thing just stop catching my leg there. 12 to 24 hours, and then she'll be ready to assemble. All good. Nice even coat. A lot of light there, so if you bring it here, there's less light, and you'll be able to tell the color a little better. And you'll see how that matches up when we assemble it all together. And we will do that tomorrow and do the final video, which will be assembling this and putting it all together.